Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now. Make sure the Oneplus has over 50% battery and a USB cable connected. You need a quick backup. Transfer photos or contacts if possible. Once ready, power off, then press and hold power plus the correct volume key for your model to enter recovery. This is the doorway. You must identify whether you're in stock, Oxygen OS, or custom recovery because the next steps differ. Keep calm, note any error messages, and prepare to exit using the recovery menu options. Now focus on the core. If recovery shows a clear Reboot System No option, select it and wait for the boot sequence. That often fixes the issue. Once done, if the option is absent, connect to a PC and use ADB, open a command prompt and run a DB reboot to force a normal boot. If you're stuck in a loop, prepare to sideload or flash the official local update. This reinstalls stock recovery and resolves conflicts between bootloader, recovery, and system partitions. Finish by confirming the phone boots to the home screen and that settings, apps, and network functions work. If you still return to recovery, try wiping the cache partition first because corrupted caches can force recovery mode. Make sure to use factory reset only if necessary, as it erases data. Once done, reflash stock firmware if problems persist. One troubleshooting tip. If flashing fails, check USB drivers, swap cables, and enable OEM unlocking or correct bootloader state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.